Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at limited edition dolls. We have Spook-Tacular bride Mavis and Mavis Bats Out. We found these dolls at Target for $17.99 each, for ages 5 and up. On the back of the box, it says Spook-Tacular bride Mavis. When Mavis and Johnny's eyes first met, Mavis felt an immediate zing. She was swept off her feet. It was love at first sight. There is a picture of Mavis and her dad over to the side, and at the bottom you can see all of the dolls in the collection. Let's check out Mavis Bats Out. With this doll, we can help her transform. On the back of the box, it says, Mavis Bats Out. Always cool and optimistic, Mavis can do it all, including being Daddy's little bat. Let's take these two out of the box for a closer look. Whoa! Are you sure you want to do that? I mean, isn't she a vampire? Relax, Sophie. I've seen the movie. She's cool. Are you sure? No, not really. It's been a while. But hey, let's see what happens. Okay, where was I? Oh yeah, let's get these two out of the box for a closer look. Out of the box, her shoes are located to the side, so you just have to take a minute to put those on. And these look like black wedge sneakers with white details. She is wearing a black satin dress that gathers on the side and has lace at the top. There is a little red jewel at the neck. She has a white glitter tiara with a black spiderweb veil. The dress is fitted at the top, then goes out at the bottom, and it has a small train. She has black gloves. Aw, and you can see that one of her fingers has been bent from the packaging. Oh, that probably happened from her bouquet. She has a purple bouquet with a black bow, which is just a little heavy for her hand, and it just keeps slowly lowering down. Her skin tone is a pink complexion. She has large blue eyes and a dark red lip. Her hair is cut right at the shoulder and flipped out to the sides, and she has bangs that point in the center. Mavis Bats Out comes with a bat ear headband that can be removed. She wears a black dress with see-through sleeves with black and red striped stockings. They stop right at the hip, so they're kind of like really long socks. She has red and black wings that are attached with elastic straps, so they can be removed, so she can transform from a bat to a girl. And she comes with a pair of red and white shoes that are a little difficult to get on with the stockings. The head can turn from side to side. There is rotation at the shoulder, and she can bend at the elbow. There is rotation at the hip and bend at the knee. And she's a little on the short side. Yep, totally nothing to be afraid of here. You know she's still got fangs, right? Wait, what? With her shoes on, she stands at about 10 inches tall. And I think they did a good job of making her look like the character from the movie. Yeah, it's pretty close. Although in this picture, she has black lipstick. And I wonder why the inclined shoes when the character wears flats. But given her size, I think she will fit nicely with Monster High accessories. Here is one of our printable Monster High backgrounds. Then we just add a Monster High chair, and Mavis is ready to call this Home Sweet Home. However, her limited range of motion makes it a little difficult for her to sit in the Monster High chairs. So maybe we can just use them in the background. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Mavis from Hotel Transylvania. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. Sophie, I think you flew off the deep end with this one. Get it? She flew off the deep end because she's like flying. I crack myself up.